Hello viewers, I would like to read a press statement by the Obi of Awka Ancient Kingdom on the shameful conduct of Mrs. Eberechukwu Obiano. The Obi of Awka Ancient Kingdom, Awka Capital Territory, His Imperial Majesty, the Eze Uzu of Awka, Obi Dr Austin Ndigwe, JP, MON, has given the wife of the immediate past governor of Anambra State, Mrs. Eberechukwu Obiano, 7 days to publicly apologize to the entire Igbo people or face serious consequences over her sacrilegious action against the symbol of Igbo unity, Bianca Ojukwu. She should also tender an unreserved apology to the new governor of Anambra State, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, for her disgraceful conduct during his inauguration. The same should go for the chief judge of the state, who was conducting the swearing-in when she descended low like a mad dog. Bianca told me after the incident that what angered her was that Ebere called her unprintable names, including prostitute, and queried her presence at the swearing-in ceremony. As who asked you to come? Bianca, who permit you? Unfortunately, this grave sin was committed in the land of Awka, which is known for peace and unity. Therefore, as the traditional ruler of the people and chief custodian of our culture, I am under obligation to perform some sacrifices to cleanse our land of this filth and pollution and to appease the gods. A study of the scenario as the incident occurred showed that her action was deliberate because, as it were, she came very much prepared to disrupt the swearing-in ceremony. And it is troubling that she began her ignoble actions when the chief judge stood up to swear in the new governor as she came and sat on his seat, a clear show of shame and lack of respect. Even when she was informed that the seat was for the chief judge, she refused to vacate the seat, only for her to stand up and move towards the direction of Bianca Ojukwu to start pouring venom on her. It must be pointed out that Bianca was not at the ceremony as Bianca, but there as a direct representative of her late father and leader, Chief Obi Ojukwu, her late husband, who pioneered the All-Progressive Grand Alliance APGA Awka, and the shining symbol of Igbo unity and solidarity. Ojukwu sacrificed all he had for the Igbos to survive. So, wherever Bianca goes, she represents and carries the aspirations and personage of the entire Igbo race. Therefore, Ebere's action of casting aspersion on her is an affront on the entire Igbo people. It was indeed on Obi Ojukwu and not on Bianca as a person. This is an insult on Igbo and it must not go unpunished. Ebere should realize that this same Awka, on whose platform she and her husband had benefited immensely throughout these 8 years, was floated when they were not even in the country and they never contributed to the formation. It is on this record that I took Obiano and his wife Ebere to Bianca Ojukwu, where they knelt down while seeking the party's governorship tickets. Bianca endorsed Obiano and called on all Awka members, including the then Peter Obi, to support him. It is the same Bianca that Ebere has now publicly insulted. This is a taboo against the tradition of Awka people and the entire Igbo race, who are known for respect and peaceful coexistence. It should be noted that Mrs. Obiano and the husband, Willie Obiano, who used the name and pictures of Ojukwu in their campaign t-shirts to win election via the endorsement of his wife, Bianca, never met Ojukwu or discussed with him while he was alive. The same ungrateful attitude was what Obiano and Ebere meted out to Prince Eze, who financed the registration and establishment of Awka as a political party. Throughout their 8-year tenure, Obiano never showed respect to Prince Eze. This is an indication that Obiano and his wife are pathological ingrates. This time they have gone too far. Igbos are angry. Enough is enough. This is the last time that this kind of disgraceful and shameful act against Bianca Ojukwu would even be imagined or tolerated from anybody, no matter how highly placed. Igbos and non-Igbos from various parts of the country and beyond have been calling to express their shock and anger over the incident. As the custodian of our people's tradition, it is incumbent on me to uphold the customs of our land. Ojukwu's personage, as represented by Bianca, can never be denigrated. It is shameful that someone who has been First Lady of a state can descend so low. Her conduct shows that she lacks proper training, and it shows that she has no respect for constituted authority, and even her husband, former Governor Obiano. Mrs. Eze Obiano has only 7 days to apologize as demanded and directed, or face serious consequences. This from His Imperial Majesty Chief Dr. Austin Ndigwe, Eze Uzu of Awka Capital Territory, for and on behalf of the entire people of Awka Ancient Kingdom. That was a press release from the Eze Uzu of Awka. They are not happy with what transpired at Operation. And you've read, they've given her time to come and reconcile. According to them, it's an affront, it's an insult on the entire Igbo to disrespect the wife of Ojukwu. And we would like to know what you think about this story. Add your comment on the comment section. I am Uzo OJ. Bye for now.